In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up Lightroom Classic performance. If you've ever felt like you're waiting too long for your photos to process or previews to load, you're not alone. And there's no need to let slow performance hold back your creativity. Let's dive into a straightforward method that can help enhance the speed and efficiency of your Lightroom Classic experience, increasing the camera raw cache size. First, we'll want to access the preferences in Lightroom Classic. Once you've opened the program, look towards the top menu and click on Edit if you're on Windows, or Lightroom Classic if you're using a Mac. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. This opens a new window with several tabs, and our area of interest will be the Performance tab. Click on it to proceed. Now that we're in the performance settings, you'll notice a section labeled Camera Raw Cache Settings. This is where we want to make some changes. Lightroom assigns a default cache size that might be a bit restrictive if you frequently work with large RAW files, which can significantly slow down the processing speed. Here, Adobe recommends increasing this cache size to improve performance, especially if you handle high-resolution images. You should consider bumping it up to at least 10 GB or more. Adjusting the cache size is a simple yet effective way to give your Lightroom a little extra breathing room, allowing it to process files more swiftly and efficiently. In addition to increasing the cache size, it is equally important to ensure that your cache is stored on a fast drive. This tip is particularly beneficial if you use an SSD, as solid-state drives are generally much faster than regular hard drives. Placing your cache on an SSD can lead to quicker access and retrieval of data, which in turn can contribute to an overall faster experience in Lightroom. Once you've made these adjustments, take some time to observe how Lightroom responds. You may notice improvements in the speed of thumbnail generation, import processes, and even the responsiveness of sliders and adjustments. Though this change might seem like a small tweak, it can make a world of difference in your workflow, letting you focus more on your creative process rather than waiting for the software to catch up. So there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to boost your Lightroom Classic performance. By increasing the camera raw cache and storing it on a fast drive, you're setting up your workflow for improved speed and efficiency. I hope you find these tips helpful and that they bring a smoothness and ease to your photo editing sessions. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.